My video guide will help you to remove fake and scary pop-ups that claims to be alerts from Windows Defender Security Center. These pop-ups come through the random website with a long random name. The website and the pop-up claims to be related to Windows support or Microsoft support, and it even quotes this fake Windows support number, which is +1 833 994 2229. This information is absolutely faulty, so you should not trust its deceptive content. This is a fake Windows support number. Do not ever call it. Such pop-ups, of course, may be the result of some adware on your computer. To fully remove adware from your system, we recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.